You are? Well, don't jump on the pile.
Yeah, don't jump on it.
On my pile, because it'll fall on me. Okay? All right. I'll see you later.
Here comes Mr. Phil through the snow tunnel.
Come on!
Brian, you do it. You go to the other side. Go to the other side.
Come on! Hurry up! Go through like I did. Crawl through! It's plenty big.
Come on, buddy.
Through. Here we are.
Come on,
right
buddy.
here.
You can do it.
All right. See, here we are. Get down on your belly and crawl.
Come on.
Good boy. Yeah.
Keep going. Keep your butt down.
Keep crawling.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
I'll get your hand. Ready?
Come on.
I'll pull you. Come on. Ready? Yeah. Good job.
Good job.
All right. Want to cave it in now?
No, I want Dad to go in now.
No way.
I don't think Dad's going to make it through.
Dad, go in!
No way,
When I'm
dude.
done the tunnel, I always cave it
You
in.
want to jump on top of it? Keep it in?
Ready? On 3. Come over here. We'll jump right in the middle and cave it in.
Ready, Brian? 1, 2, 3, jump!
3. Go! Oh! Oh! It caved in on us. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, snow on me. I saw what you were trying to do. You I saw you taking a snowball. Good boy. You went right through the tunnel. Look at the tunnel now. It's all gone. Whew.
Good job, Brian.
Let's jump right in.
All right. Ready? Oh. Ah. You do. Can I get up now?
No, down here.
Let me up. Let me up.
No.
Easy.
No, you.
I'm all wet now. I gotta go change.
No.
I'm gonna roll you over. Oh! Did I scare you? Did I scare you? Here, jump in that pile.
Brian, jump. Brian, jump in the pile over here.
Jump on this pile. Yes, it'll cave way in.
Come on. No, Mr. Phil, no, no, no.
Pile.
Jump over, Mr. Phil.
Over me.
Jump over.
I'll
Come on,
make
come
sure I
on.
hold you.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Jump.
Jump. Jump right over to this pile. Ready?
Jump, 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 jump.
Jump. Whoa! What a job. Okay. You got me all snow. Guess what Mr. Phil has to do? He has to go get all wet. Look at it. Huh?
All right, tell Mr. Phil thank
Hey,
you.
we saved the fun for last, didn't we? Ready? I'm gonna roll over.
All right, Brian. Let's go, buddy. Let's go inside and warm up.
Yes, you gotta go warm up. Look at them all.